जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम आलयम करुणालयम नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरम लोकशंकरम. This video is about the importance of listening to mantras. Many have requested me to share the mantra description in YouTube. For your information, mantras must be listened to. You have to listen through your ears. This is the rule. Okay? Many a times, people want to read the mantra. Nothing wrong. They are right enough from their perspective. But insofar as I am concerned, when my father initiated me into Gayatri Mantra, he didn't ask me to write, okay, Prakash, you take a paper and pen and I'll share with you the mantras. No. He said the mantra by putting an Angavastra over my head. He gave it to me very secretly. Okay? Because that's how it has to be. And that's how it has to be given. Now, I have shared the mantras for the benefit of the world. It's up to you all to take appropriate action plans. I can only share the mantra, which in itself is a spoon feeding for you all. In case you need the mantra to be described, what you can do is you can take a paper and a pen, listen to the mantra, write, listen, write, listen, write. You master it. I'm absolutely fine with it. But if you ask me, I will not do that particular mistake of sharing it by giving it in the description form. I'm sorry. I'm not for it. I personally do not subscribe for it, so I cannot act against my values. You can take that action by listening to it, write it, chant it. Absolutely fine, which is the first thing. I will give you a few reasons for this. When I give the mantra, right, the way you interpret it, if it is wrong, see, understand this. Mantra is a form of sound. Our brain loves those sounds. It responds to those sounds in a different way. If the sound is altered, then the vibration is altered. As a result, you will not get the desired outcome. So that is the reason why, like the mantra, when a guru gives the mantra, he is not supposed to write and give. Rather, he is supposed to tell it on the ears. That is how it has to be. Right? Shruti, Smriti. This is how it has to be. And this is the rule. I cannot violate the rule. Isn't it? So, in case you want, you write, listen, write, and then you chant. Absolutely fine. Okay, so you take that action plan because I have already created something for you all. I mean, the reason is I could have kept this within me, right? But that's not the objective. Every person, because this I have done it with a purpose. Now, in case you want further spoon feeding or further help and so on, you can take that action plan. I am absolutely fine with it, right? Let me give an example. Balambigecha Vaidyecha Bhavaroga Haridecha Jave Namatrayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. The same thing if it is told in Tamil or if it is read in Tamil, right? Balambikesa Vaidyesa Bhavaroga Haridecha Jave Namatrayam Nityam Maharoga Nivaranam. So the meaning changes completely. Cha in Sanskrit is different. Sa in Tamil is different. Right? So, you listen to it, you write it. You start. It will the moment you start chanting, you will automatically get a lot of things, lot of clarity going forward. Right? So, take a paper and pen, listen to all the mantras which I've put it. You write it in whatever language you want. Right? In whatever language you want, like Tamil or Telugu or Kannada or Hindi or any language that is your comfort. Make a note, chant. Absolutely fine. Right? All the very best. God bless you all. Jai Jai Shankara Hara Shankara.